Hi friends, in this video we will discuss about composite supply and mixed supply as per GST Act. Okay, let us discuss the definitions first. What is composite supply? Composite supply means supply by a taxable person. Supply made by a taxable person to a recipient consisting two or more taxable supply. Any goods or services supplied by a taxable person. First of all, he should be a taxable person, and the other hand, consisting two or more taxable supplies. Supply also should be a taxable supply. Point number 1 minute. Point number 1, he should be a taxable person and he should supply a taxable supplies, either goods or services, which are naturally bundled and supplied in conjunction with each other. Means what? Naturally bundled means the two supplies should be naturally bundled in the course of business. This word naturally bundled is not defined anywhere in the Act. We will discuss with the help of example. So, which are naturally bundled and supply in conjunction with each other. What is it? Conjunction with each other means two or more supplies, that is second supply, will serve or supplied simultaneously at the time of principal supply or just after finishing the principal supply. Ultimately, there should be a two supply. One is the principal supply and another one is the allied supply. The same should be happened in the ordinary course of business. So, conclusion is, first point should be, he should be a taxable person. Second point, it should be a taxable supply. Point number 3, there should be two or more supply naturally bundled. And point number 4, the same should happen in the ordinary course of business. This is called composite supply. Now we broke down the definitions into parts. Hopefully the same is clear now. And the point here is, what is the rate? So there should be, we discussed that there should be two supplies and the same is naturally bundled. Then what is the rate should be charged? This will we see with an example. Supposing I went to a Panasonic dealer shop and I purchased a TV. As per the terms and conditions of Panasonic, the TV that they are selling, after sales they will install the TV in my residential premises. So they are providing the composite supply in this case. How composite supply? See, what is the principal supply here? What is the principal supply here? Principal supply here. TV is the principal supply. What is the allied supply here? Installation. As per GST Act, what is the rate should be charged by the Panasonic dealer? The rate should be the principal supply rate. They should charge in the bill that the rate of principal supply. This is the concept of composite. On the other hand, we will analyze the definition of mixed supply. Mixed supply means two or more individual supplies made by the taxable person. Here also taxable person for a single price. Invoice should be single and the price should be single. Such supplies does not constitute a composite supply, which means we have analyzed the 4 parts. No, it should not be fall in the category. So which means it should not be a composite supply. Which means what? The same should not be naturally bundled and not in the ordinary course of business. Not in the ordinary course of business. This is called mixed supply. In case of mixed supply, how we will calculate the rate, tax rate? Tax rate, we have to calculate the higher rate. This we will discuss with the help of an example. Supposing I am going to a supermarket, I saw a bundle offer there. They have mentioned that 5 kg rice, the rate is 5%, and 5 kg detergent powder and the rate of 18%. This is bundled. The point is, I am saying bundled, not naturally bundled. If it is naturally bundled, then it will comes under the definition composite supply. This is mixed supply. This is not naturally bundled, not in the ordinary course of business. Just for a limited period offer, they are putting this as limited period offer. So how they will charge GST? As per GST Act, the rate should be the higher rate. So conclusion of this video: in case of composite supply, the rate they will charge is principal rate of supply. In case of mixed supply, the higher rate would be charged in the bill. Hopefully this video may be helpful to you, and please subscribe our channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.